Once your BI report is configured the way in which you would like for it to be, you can use the filter icon on the top right to filter down the entire page to just see the information that is most important to you. The filter option is also available for each widget, but if you would like to filter the entire page, you can do so by clicking this filter button on the top right. With this filter icon, you can select the time zone for which the corresponding information will be displayed, as well as the time frame you would like to see the information for. Let's say you only want to view the information within a specific time window or work shift. To edit the time frame, you can drag these two orange dots. Anything that is included in the orange bar will be the time frame that is included for all of the widgets below. This is useful if you just want to see the information based on when your employees were working. Under the Common Filters gray box, you can filter by employee to see the corresponding information related to just that specific employee. You can also input more than one employee's name if you would like to compare multiple employees' information and/or metrics. If you have departments configured within Terramind, you can filter the data on any BI report by one or more departments in order to see the specific information correlating with that department. You can also search by your employee's computer name, and if you have tasks configured within Terramind, you can also search by a specific task. Down below, you will see an additional filter with categories based on the BI report that you are accessing. For example, in the Applications and Websites BI report, you can select the Applications and Web Pages filter option, which will open a variety of new options to filter within the BI report. This is useful if, for example, you are searching for any applications and web pages that have not been classified as productive or unproductive as of yet. With some of these filter options, you will also have the ability to exclude specific items from the information reflected on the charts and plane grid. Back up at the top of the filter sidebar, you will also have the option to reset any of the filter options you have implemented by clicking on the reset button. You can also save any of these filter options by clicking the save button.